everyone, today I am going to show how to draw a circle, square and rectangle on Scratch. So first, let's delete this cat sprite. Now we need to choose a sprite. Let's go search for pencil. Over here. Now let's change the pencil size to 50. Better. Now let's go to events. Let's do a green flag clicked. Now let's go to motion, move 10 steps. Instead of that, let's change it to 1 step. And then turn 15 degrees. Let's make it to turn 1 degrees. Then we'll go to control. This has to repeat 360 times. We need to actually draw the circle, but we don't have pen. So let's go to Add Extension, click on Pen, then choose Set Pen Color to change pen size. Instead of 1, let's try 5. And then pen down. Now let's click on it. See? You will get a perfect circle. We just need to wait until it's done. Then we can click on the red button. Now we are going to make a square. So let's do it first. Delete the code. Erase all. Now we need to go to events when green flag clicked. Then we have to go to motion, move 10 steps. Instead, let's make it to move 100 steps. Then we'll make it to turn 15 degrees, but instead let it turn 90 degrees. Then we'll go to control. This has to repeat 4 times since a square has 4 sides. Let's go to pen, choose erase all, pen down, change pen size by 5. Now let's try it. We'll get a square. Now let's delete the code. We'll do a rectangle. Erase. Let's go to events when green flag clicked. Then we have to go to motion, move 10 steps, but instead let's change that to 150 steps. Then turn 90 degrees, then move 100 steps, turn 90 degrees. Now let's go to control. This has to repeat 4 times as well, since a rectangle has 4 sides. We need to go to pen. Let's choose erase all, pen down, change pen size by 5. Now let's try it. We get a rectangle. So this is how you make a rectangle, square, and circle on Scratch. Thank you.